Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all see this 22-inch bust down, okay? But she got leave out though. That leave out is leaving out. It's blending. But I start off with my baby hers with the edge booster, because edge booster is my home girl, my BFF, my ride or die. She been sticking with me for a while. I check my going through my natural hair photos, and I've been using edge booster since like 2018. That's a long time. That's a very long time. But I'm doing my baby hairs, flicking them down. And y'all, don't talk about my hair underneath the wig, because I don't know how to braid to the scalp. If somebody can teach me, I'm willing to learn. I've only braided my hair down one time. It was one braid a few years ago. I'm pretty sure I can do it, because, you girl. I'm going to check all trades. I can do it all. Trust and believe I can do it all. Anyways, so right here I was laying my edges down, and I wanted to do different swoop to swoop, and it went swoop to swooping. But this is basically a full edge control. Edge baby hair. What am I trying to say? This is a baby hair tutorial at this point. And I was getting frustrated because come on, get it together. So we're gonna speed it up. Do y'all call these sideburns? I don't like to call it sideburns. That sounds manly. That sounds too manly for me. So it's my baby hairs. My baby hairs that I like to swoop. Do a little curl. And my curls is popping. I feel like I have a little heat damage, but I used some Redken. They sent it to me, and it has my curls popping. I'll have to let y'all know what that is. I put it on my Instagram story. Follow me on Instagram, TheBrittanyShanice. And I post on there pretty often now, because your girl is blowing up. Followers going up. Reels going up. Trying to get my back. Oh, here's the VPART wig. Big head friendly. Throw it on. Real easy. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. And I just snap them on. Real simple. And the hair is really nice. I didn't experience any shedding. Nothing like that. I just use mousse and gel. And water, of course. Real simple. About 2 days after this, I decided to do a side part, and the side part was cute too, but I think my curls are a little different on the side of my head. Sometimes your curl patterns be different all over your head. That's probably the heat damage. Anyways, I did a side part, and I posted it on TikTok, and it's getting more good than bad reviews. I saw somebody say nah. But everybody else is like, yes, it looks like it's coming out my scalp and all that. But it definitely blends more with the middle part. The middle part is giving. It's giving. And my curls, even though my curls are tighter, it still blends really well. Girl, look at that. And that's the mousse I use. And it's old. I've been using it for a while. But I use so much mousse, and I really didn't need that much. It's the Eco Styler gel. I don't have that clip. I don't know what happened to that clip, but the Eco Styler gel is what really, set it off. It's what really had my curls, blending real nice. And you'll see that in just a moment. But yeah, VPART wig from Domiso hair. Amazon, get you one 22-inch bust down middle part. See that? Wet and wavy, girl. And after this, I went swimming. But she cute. That's real cute. See how it blended? Get you some Eco Styling gel. Get you this wig, because our frontals are sliding back. Well, at least mine. They be sliding. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all, and come back for more. Bye.